Doesn't look warm. It's not moving. It's probably he's moving.
Oh, no,
Alright.
he didn't move that pole.
I know. I put up some Christmas decorations. I put the big wreath up, sort of.
Whoa! Look at him!
Where?
He moved.
Oh, he moved. Was there any dobbies out here this morning? Probably, huh? Beware of dog. Are you the dog? No, you're a bear. You're a brown bear.
Yeah.
Alright, where you going?
Where's the body? Where's the body?
Alright, Peso's turning away for the bus. He goes to a different school. He goes to Danto Berger's old elementary school, where we go skateboarding, where I got destroyed. What do you think? You think it's cold out, Luch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cold out. It's the old hill. This is where me and the boys used to skate and scooter and bike and get the cops called on us.
I went to a field today.
Yeah, it was a nice hill. It's got a nice turn at the top, and it's got a nice turn at the bottom. And then I keep going about another 1/8 of a mile. And I am not skating it today because I'll probably freeze to death. But if I fall, at least I would bounce because I got like 22 layers on. Alright.